Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and today it's raining outside, so I wanted to take some picture. And since it's raining, you can't take picture in the rain. Well, you could, but I don't want to get wet. I'm lazy. Anyway, so what I decided is to take a picture of this simple things that you've seen. It's an egg with two forks, and I put it in the background right there, black. It's a foam board, and then one in the bottom. And then I got my over here, my Sony A6000. And what we're gonna do is the shooting speed is gonna be 1/200 of a second, f11, ISO 100, because I want it dark, And first picture we're gonna take. I'm gonna take it out without the flash. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And there you go on the screen. How you can see is a dark picture. You can see it in your screen there. It's very dark. Now we're gonna add up the flash. The flash is gonna be in the softbox right here. Is the Godox AD200, and it's gonna be on TTL. We also got the flash trigger right here. And let's take this picture. So in the last picture you see everything was dark because the ambient light that is coming in here by the window and light that I have over here on is not affecting the photo. So now we're gonna take another one. By the way, I also manual focus in this and over here, around here, so everything can be sharp. I want the egg and the thing to be sharp, and you manually focus. That's the best way to do it. So now what I'm gonna do now is take my my remote control. Sorry about that. I got a wireless remote control. That way, when I let me see if I have put it over here. I don't think I have it on. And let me see. Well, I'm gonna put 2-second delay, better than that. And that way I don't, because I didn't set it up. So anyway, I take the picture. Now you're gonna hear this and go it off. And now I'm gonna show you in the back of your screen, and that's what I'm looking for. It's nice there, but I want to give it how you can see in the left in the right side. You can see in the picture that I'm showing around here is a little bit too dark, so I want to bring this back. I want to bring that up a little bit. So what I do is grab another foam right here, this white one, and I'm gonna put it like around here, just a little touch, just to give it a little touch. Here go again, and let's see what that do. All right, so it's better now than before. You can see before and now it's way better. The background's a little bit on thing, but don't worry, we're gonna do that in post. We're gonna darken it and make it dark, and also. It's nice. I like the way that this picture came out, and this is something you can practice and try. And now we're gonna go to Lightroom. You can do when you're home practicing. I mean, not doing nothing. You can practice. This is something simple. I hope you enjoy. Like I said, I got my Sony camera A6000. I got my macro lens 30mm. I got simple item, 2 forks and an egg, 2 board, and you can buy in this probably $2, or you can buy them in Michael's or whatever 99-cent stores or something. They sell school supplies. I also got my flash right here. I got my flash, my Godox flash right here, and this is. Let me show you. Sorry, I got them in ETTL. Let me flip this a little bit up. Sorry for the movement. There you go. I got this right here, my Godox flash bouncing. By the way, if you can see here, the flash is not all the way. Let me show you the table. Okay, the flash. When I use the flash, let me just fire it. There you go. When I fire it, you see the flash is right here, ends right here. The product is all the way back, so it's just releasing a little bit of the light, a little bit. It's not all the way over there like that, It's just a little bit. It's almost like flashing towards the camera, just Just is a simple way not to put a lot of flash all over. So please now stay there and let's go now to the editing part. Okay, guys, welcome back. This is the set of pictures that I took, and this is the editing time. We're gonna edit this in Lightroom 5, and then this is how you got the photos. First photo, dark with no flash. Then I got this one. I added this, and then I went to this, and then add a little bit of thing of the of the foam, and then I put the foam here, and this one is the one that I like so far. I took multiple pictures, you know. I didn't, of course, didn't show these in the camera, but this is the one I'm gonna edit right here. This one is the one that I wanted to edit. Let's do this. And now what I want to do this in this picture is go to lens correction. I hit reset. This is a Lightroom 5. I hit reset so that way you know that I haven't done no adjustment. So I hit enable profile correction, remove chromatic aberration, and hit auto. And let's see what Lightroom 5 do. It didn't do that much. That will leave it like that. Now we go to the basic panel, and on the basic panel I'm gonna bring the highlights a little bit up. I'm gonna remember I've shot this in flash. I'm gonna put flash, the white balance on flash. The highlight I'm gonna bring up, the shadow I bring up, the whites I'm gonna leave it there. The dark I'm gonna bring it dark. You know, I wanna make this dark, it's like a dark picture. So that I bring it to 28. Clarity I'm gonna bring it down because the eggs is supposed to be a soft little egg. Now here I go to the crop. I'm gonna crop this. Oh, I'm gonna hit the. You see where it says original here. The lock is lock, so I'm gonna unlock it. That way I can bring this way, bring this way, and bring. Let me try to see to straighten it out because I think it's straightened out there better. Let me see, and it looks better to my eyes. That looks good, that photo. Now what I'm gonna get is a adjustment brush and shadow. Okay, I'm gonna hit shadow and just touch these spot right here, because remember the flash was on this side. Oh, sorry, the flash was on this side, and I had just a reflector here, so it's a little bit dark here. But you know, we're gonna bring it back with the shadows, a little bit on the shadows. And this is, hey, it's a picture, you know. It's just something to when you don't have nothing to do, you just do something, you know, practice at home. That's what I was just doing, practicing. And I like what we got, you know. I like so far what we got here. Now I close that. That looks good. Now I get another brush, and this brush I'm gonna, cause over here shows a little bit of the dark the background, so I'm gonna go here and bring this, and I'm gonna put it in exposure and bring this down and bring the exposure down to -4, and you know, just leave it like that. Close that. That looks so good so far. Now I'm gonna get another brush, and this time I'm gonna bring the brush to highlights, and I'm gonna bring this highlight. Oops, did I? Oh my god, I had the highlights down. No, sorry, I'm gonna bring it to shadow. Oh my god, sorry about that. Shadow. Now I'm gonna bring this up, you know, to bring this up a little bit, and go back and touch this already again. You know, touch these shadows. Just a little touch. I know. I think I did a little bit too much, but that looks good. And now here, what I'm gonna do, I got the shadow to 28. I'm gonna bring the clarity down. This, you know, to soften a little bit. I'm gonna bring it to 6. That looks good. So far, this is what we had, and this is what we got right now. This is a photo, you know, that you can do in practice, if you have practice at home. And this is so fast, so good. Let me see. I'm gonna go to temp curve and press a little medium contrast. Boom, that will give it a better shape right there. I like that. So far so good. And let me see the whole picture. We went from this to this. Please take your time, subscribe, leave your comment. I appreciate it. And thank you for taking time of your busy schedule or to take your time and look at this video. Thank you, appreciate it. Until next time, I'm your host, Divi from Divi Photography.